Hello everybody, in today's video we will be reviewing the MTH GP38-2 CSX paint scheme ProtoSound system installed. And this is made by MTH, it's road number 2653, and it's their second run of the GP38-2s. So, let's get into unboxing this. First, we're just going to take off the top side of the box cover right off. And then you have your bag of little stuff. You have the DCS, the digital command system. That's an MTH, pretty much MTH's version of DCC and stuff. It pretty much just covers how to run with their special controller and stuff. That's only if you switch it to DCS mode, which we'll talk about in a minute. Here we have the MTH GP38-2 with ProtoSound 3. This is the engineer's guide and stuff. So you can run it on regular DC, DCC, or DCS, which is, I just covered that. And then product overview, setup, lights, controlling systems, and then control variables, or not control variables, this is the function list, like the bell, horn, whistle, stuff like that. This is the whole function chart, the complete function chart. Here we have the CV settings. Here's all the CV settings if you want to change them. Here's the more function identification or something. Advanced consisting. And all the rest of the stuff you'd get in your normal startup manual. Now let's get to the locomotive. There's a layer of foam here. Just peel that right back. And voila! There's our locomotive. You can just wiggle that out of the foam case. And nothing else in there. It does have a snowplow that comes with it, in case you want to install that. So now let's get on to the locomotive. Here is the MTH GP38-2 in all its glory. We're just going to slide the little plastic cover that protects it more right off. And here it is. So we're going to lift this tab here, and this will come up. And there is our locomotive. Beautiful. So here we have, let's start off with the front. Here we have the marker lights, which do operate, lighted number boards, and headlight. And Leslie RS3L horn mounted on top with a white cab paint job. CSX logo. Handrails, pretty durable. Seem to be pretty durable. And then as we come down towards the coupler at the bottom, we have MU cables. Little holes for the snowplow right next to them. See them right there. Coupler. And air hose. And then there's the walkway. These do have detailed walkway treads. Or, not detailed, but textured. You probably can't see those. But, yeah. Okay, so here we have a grab iron, and a sand filler hatch, where it gets its sand and stuff. Also, very nice detail on the side. We have the GP38-2 identification thing underneath the road number 2653, and F marking the front of the locomotive, stripe going alongside the locomotive, nice yellow stripe. Well, that's a truck detail, as I can see. I don't know if those bearing caps are rotating, but the gas tank and valve, and here's a, ooh, that's a nice noise, vent, and handrails along the side. This is the exhaust fans, 3 of those on the top, dynamic brake here on the sides. I forget what this is, but yeah. And that's pretty much it for the sides. You can see detail on the sides with the panels to open up to the motor. And yeah. Back details pretty much the same as the front. Detailed walkway treads, coupler, MU cables, and an air hose over here. And then we have operating class lights in the back, more grab irons, lift rings, operating headlight, number boards, another grab iron over here. Still some pretty sturdy handrails, and then we have the bottom, which is where things get interesting. Well, not really interesting, the whole model's interesting. Right here is the switch from DCC to DCS. You can find something really small that'll fit in there, like this stick, unlike that. You can switch it around to DCS mode, and then get a screwdriver and turn it this way, to the left to turn it up, and to the right to turn it down. When you see this, you'll see why you'd want to turn it down, because the volume is crazy loud. So, and there's the speaker on the underside of the fuel tank. There's the truck detail. Very nice. Alright, so that's about it for the locomotive, and now let's go on to operation. Alright, so now we're going to put it on the track. We're going to apply track power. The default address is number 3, but I changed that to number 1. Just because I have my Walters Mainline ES44H programmed to number 3, because I never bothered to change it. So I changed this guy to 1. Now if we go into function mode and press F3 is the startup. As you can see, the number boards and class lights come on. F10 is light, F0 is light, and light. There we go. And that'll turn off in reverse directions. And F2 is horn. F1 is bell. Very nice steel belt and RS3L horn.
Do you have a straight shot over? Yes, we do.
As you can hear there, automatic crew chatter will appear on this locomotive, and same with a defect detector, which I heard earlier. F5 is nothing. No, I'm sorry, F5 is these lights, I think those turn off. Yeah, that turns the number boards and class lights off. Number 6 is with pressure release. Number 7 is coupler clank. and F8 mutes it.